Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble skincare. We'll explore the unique characteristics of these foaming products and why crafting them yourself offers significant benefits. You gain complete control over the ingredients, ensuring a gentle and effective formula tailored to your skin. We will cover all the necessary steps and components to create your very own bubbly concoction. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of distilled water as your base. For the foaming action, use 2 tablespoons of a gentle surfactant, such as dicyl glucoside. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin to provide hydration. Ensure you have a clean mixing bowl, a small whisk, and accurate measuring spoons and cups ready for the process. First, pour your 1/2 cup of distilled water into the clean mixing bowl. Next, add the 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin and stir them together until well combined. Now, slowly incorporate the 2 tablespoons of your chosen surfactant. Stir very gently with your whisk, just enough to mix without creating too much foam prematurely. Continue stirring until you see a light, bubbly texture forming. To personalize your bubble skincare, you can add 5 to 10 drops of your favorite skin-safe essential oil, like lavender or tea tree, for scent or added benefits. For extra soothing, a teaspoon of aloe vera gel works wonderfully. Transfer your finished product into a clean, airtight pump bottle. For best results and to maintain freshness, aim to use your homemade bubble skincare within 2 to 3 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.